Today we are off to Lutsen Mountain, and it just happens to be one of the last beautiful days here in Minnesota. Otherwise it's going to be dipping down into the 30s and 40s again. So I figured we'd take advantage of that and go for a hike. Lutsen Mountain is great for tons of outdoor activities, mostly known for skiing, but we're just going to enjoy it for getting outdoors, getting some cardio with hiking, and capturing some beautiful fall colors.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's trash out in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely.
Little trails all over Lutsen Mountain. The one that we're going to be hiking on today is the Poplar River Falls Trail. And you get to that by driving straight past the gondola until the road stops, park, and then just go on the path. Here we go.
Will you stay with me? I'm lost in America. Will you stay?
The majority of this hike is on the Lake Superior hiking trail, which is easy to run into no matter where you are on the North Shore. Lutsen is about 4 hours from Minneapolis and 2 hours from Duluth. You can either drive up for the day or you can stay at one of the many nice lodges in the area.
Find it hard to breathe, 'cause there's too much dust in the air, and we can't reverse the wheel. Searched around lately, the world seems to be the same.
This hike is for all ages, but make sure you bring the proper shoes. It can get muddy and slippery in some areas.
And the ones who praise them, will you stay with me? I'm lost in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in
There are 2 overlooks along the way, and several great overlooks along the ridge of Moose Mountain. The majority of the trail links the back of Moose Mountain to Mystery Mountain.
Wide awake in an alien world, Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake in an alien world, where I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of.
We're in a gully right now between Mystery Mountain and Moose Mountain, and we're pretty close to heading up Moose Mountain, but it is just gorgeous down here. And the smell, I love the pine tree smell, and I think this is one of my favorite parts so far.
Will you stay with me? I'm lost in America.
If you are looking for a longer hike, you can start at Oberg Mountain Trailhead to the west or Caribou Lake Trailhead to the east.
Stay with me. I'm lost in America. Stay with me now, 'cause I'm lost in America.
At the top of Moose Mountain, you'll have a great reveal of Lake Superior. From there, you can walk down to the Summit Chalet and catch the gondola, or stop to relax, have a drink, and hang out for a while. You should note that the gondola prices are $22 per person, $14 for kids, and $19 for seniors. Make sure to spend time on the patio and enjoy the best view of Lake Superior.
on our way back to the truck. Our hike was in total, I think, 4.5 miles and took us roughly 2 to 2.5 hours to do the whole thing. And when you get to the top of Moose Mountain, you can either choose to take the gondola back down or turn around and hike back yourself. We decided to take a slight shortcut, which was a little bit of adventure through the woods, but it was fun either way, and I would highly suggest you come out and hike some of these trails on Lutsen Mountain. It's beautiful and a great time out in nature. We hope you join us next time. Okay, bye!
Will you stay with me? I'm lost.
Today we are off to, ooh, an eagle. Oh, that's fun.